Hello people of the internet, my name is CJ, and today I wanted to go over all of my reenacting stuff. This is all the stuff I wear to reenactments that I go to. This is my Loyalist impression, private in the 4th American Regiment of Foot, the King's American Regiment. So I'm, Loyalist. So we'll start over here. We have my regimental coat. I'm not going to talk about this too much because I already made an entire video about that, so if you want to know more, go watch that. It's not the best, but I'm planning to make myself a light infantry sleeved waistcoat at some point in the hopefully near future, so won't have to worry about that for too much longer. If we move down a bit, we come to my waistcoat, which is made of red linen. I made this myself. It has pewter buttons with a thistle design and a white cotton lining. If we go over here, we have my breeches, which I actually just got at the most recent event I went to, which was the Fife and Drum muster in Sudbury, Massachusetts. I already posted a video from that event, so if you haven't already, go watch that. Got these from one of the sutlers that was there for $10, which I think is a pretty good deal for some breeches. Here we have shoes, just nothing special, just old leather shoes with brass buckles. Also got them from the same sutler at Sudbury. These were $20 for old pair of shoes. If we move over a bit, we have the stockings. These are off-white cotton stockings. Nothing too special, but they're socks. If we go up a bit, we have my canteen. Very important. Carries water, so you don't die of dehydration, because of course you don't want to do that. If we move over a bit, we come to my cartridge box. I think I also made a video about this, so I'm not going to talk about that too much, but basically it's just where you keep ammunition. This one was given to me by a member of Captain Two's company, the 2nd Rhode Island Regiment, like 4 years ago, I think Sturbridge Village 2017, I think, when this was given to me. If we go over here, this is my haversack. It's where soldiers would carry their food, basically. If we go over here, we have a light infantry axe. So this is just an axe that light infantrymen would carry around. Yeah, that's basically it about that. We have a shirt. Don't think I really need to explain that very much. And we have my hat over here. This is a newer one. I made a video showing off my old hat a while back, but this is my current hat. I think it looks pretty cool. It's obviously not the best, but I think it looks nice enough. And finally, if we will go over here, this is some other stuff I got at Sudbury. So there's this Rebel regimental coat. Looks pretty Farby to me, but it was only $5. I mean, why not? If I ever really need to be an American for whatever reason, sure. We have this old Townsend shirt, which was also only $5, so it's an extra shirt if I need it. And then these socks here, extra pair of stockings, were $2, so again, might as well have an extra pair of stockings. So yeah, that is my reenacting gear. Thank you for watching. Hope you have a nice day. Goodbye.